Hi everyone, it's Emmylou. Hello. We're going to draw a warplane today because Max, my sister's friend's little boy, really wants to draw a plane and he asked me to draw one. So Max, this is for you and anyone else that wants to draw planes. Let's go. Okay, first we need to get a piece of paper. You need a piece of paper and a pencil and a rubber really. You could have some chalk pastels, but you don't need them right now. Okay, let's go. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a rounded shape that looks a little bit like a rainbow. So a rounded shape like a rainbow. Then you're going to go just like that. And then you're going to go da 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 da. You don't have to sing, but why not? I love singing. And then you're going to go choo. So it kind of looks like a turtle shell, which is perfect. That's what you want. Okay. And then on the top, you're going to do la da da. So this is like the cabin. I mean, I really don't know. I've never flown a plane, but I think it's the cockpit. It's the cockpit, I think, of the warplane. So Max, you probably know what kind of plane it is because I don't think I know. When we finish it, you'll know. So you just do chunky lines. So you've got those lines. It's like a turtle, as I said. Kind of like a turtle. And then you're going to go touch that little bit there. And you're going to go wee. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to go do the other side. It's important to sounds like a cat, but never mind. Okay. And then we're going to go. So just go down. It looks a little bit like a car now, which is great. Then this side, you're going to go. It's important to go. It's not. But, okay, and then. So can you see it kind of slowly taking shape? Then you're going to go. Just stop about there. I mean, it doesn't matter where you stop. If you wanted to, you could actually go all the way. Can you see where I'm going? Till you get to about there. You could put your hand so you know it's parallel. If that makes any sense. So just stop about there. I'd probably stop a little bit before, so I've kind of gone a little bit too further. Is that a word? Okay, and then we're going to go. We're going to touch this bit there, and you've got to join this up, but I've gone too further. It doesn't sound English the way I've said that. So you're going to go down, down, down. I need to rub that little bit out because I've done it a little bit too further because you want it slanted, it will look really cool. So once you've done that, you're going to go. So it's just below the cockpit. It's below the cockpit, the actual rainbow. Then you're going to go. Woo! Hopefully your pencil is not going to be like my pen because my pen's gone a little bit squidgy. It's a bit big. Okay, and then la 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 la. It's like you're creating a triangle, then you join it up so it's rounded. I'm doing this quick just because it's quite cool to have YouTube videos where you can pick it up quite quickly. This would probably be a little bit thinner. So when you do the line, you could go up more. But I'm going to keep it as it is just for now. Then at the end, you're going to do... It's like a bullet because it's going to have... I don't know what it is. I think it's just the nose of the plane. So you could rub that little bit out there if you want, but you don't need to. And to do the other wing, because it's like 3D, you're going to go... Da, 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 da. You're going to float, like pretend you're flying. Okay, pretend you're flying. Just touch that and fly the pencil over. You do not want to press down, just fly. So la 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 la. And then, because you want it parallel. It's not parallel. You want it in line. You want it like in the same angle. Then, you can't do the same for the other one because then it'll be all over there. But you're going to decide whereabouts. You could do about there. And just go up a little bit and you're kind of creating a triangle look and then round it off. Man, this pen. And then you're going to do the tail. Tail's quite important. It would be rounded now, so make this rounded. Make it rounded. You could put someone cool in there. Yes. You could put me. You could put yourself in there. So, you know, you could just do like a silhouette. Looks a bit like a Teletubby. Something like that would be fun. I mean, I'd do anything. It doesn't matter. I did a steering wheel. I think they don't really have steering wheels on a plane, do they? Don't know. I can't think. Okay. And then you're going to do the back of the plane. Right, so can I just show you? To make it look like glass, You can do one line, a dot and another line. I learnt that in A-levels when I did interior architecture design. Right, get a rubber, and just rub out, rub out all of that. The light's kind of light and dark today because it's really cloudy, so bear with the video. Okay, and then you're going to do a line there, and you're going to go, so you're just creating like a strange triangle, and then you're just going to join it up. It can be rounded if you like, and then the other side, float it over, touch a bit there and go, and then the other side you're going to do exactly like you did there, but it's a baby thing. So, I mean, I've done it a bit 3D. You want to make these look 3D now, so pretend that's not there because I can't rub mine out. But this, you put an edge on it because it makes it look 3D. Kind of looks cool. You could do a design now because it's really nice to like put the bits on. So have a look on Google even if you're allowed. Have a look for like designs and patterns. You can make up your own. But I'm going to do like a little flag here. Not quite sure what. Just do that, couldn't I? To be honest, a window. Never mind. How about this? Yeah. So I'm going to do a flag. I could even write E for Emmylou. You could really design it nicely, like just have the whole thing. You could have, this is Emmylou and a interesting signature there. Have a little bit of fun with that. So yeah, it's pretty cool because you can just create whatever you like on the wings. Sometimes they have, they drop bombs, this particular plane. So we're gonna have a line. Then we're gonna just do, they're basically bombs. So I don't know what a bomb looks like, having not flown a plane, dropped some bombs. But we want to draw a bomb, not that you need to know what it looks like if you haven't done it, but anyway. So we're gonna, it's like that type of shape. So it's like a rectangle and just do that shape. And then you can rub out this little line. If you can see that, I've done it quite lightly. We'll just rub it out because you don't need to have that on your page. Okay, so now we're gonna colour it in. Now I'm feeling quite energetic today, feeling really good. I'm in my mum's spare room again. So I'm trying not to be messy, but I don't know if you can't see it, but I just get covered in pastel constantly. So, okay, I'm going to do it green, because green's kind of cool. So green pastel is what I've got. Every time you colour something, try and get two of the same colour. So I've got dark green, light green. So I'm going to do a light green first of all. So you won't go over your design. Like you can actually go round the design, but I'm just going to do it Blue Peter style really quickly. Just so you can get an idea. And then every time you use pastel, I love pastel. Every time you use it, just smudge away. What were they doing in the lesson today? There we do it. I'm trying to think what we're drawing today. Oh, monkey. We're drawing a monkey at the moment. Really cool. They're awesome. They're amazing. Okay, and then dark green. I mean, you can choose any colour, any pattern, anything you like, but it's always nice to do shadow. So I always think, where's the light falling? So if you were to just do an invisible arrow, or just an arrow, you could say, right, it's going to be dark. It's going to be dark where the light isn't, you can't see the light. I mean, even do that dark if you like. So all under here can be quite dark. Okay. There's my pastels and it's on the carpet. I'm literally going to crunch them in the carpet. Let's hope my dad and mum don't see this YouTube video. I'm going to pick them up and it'll be really okay. Okay. Right, I've just got to make sure I don't... If you hear a crunch, then that is not good. Okay, so then dark, and you just go da-da-dee. I can't believe I dropped it. They're not in the house at the moment, so luckily I can clear it up and leave no mess. Okay, can you see how it's kind of starting to look really cool? It's kind of like 3D. Now if I need a pastel, I have to pick it up from the floor. So what should we have? Let's have a dark brown. If I can find it in between the floorboards. I'm going to get a blue because I couldn't find a brown. It's gone under the table, so I'm going to just leave it there. So dark blue, not leave it there forever, obviously. Dark blue, and then... So if it's glass, it looks amazing because you can just smudge around, like smudge and leave some of it white. Then it kind of looks like it's glass. I love that feel. I love that look. It's really cool. The figure can be any colour you like. Basically, colour, just crunch, colour any pastel, any, kind of flustered now that I've dropped the pot. Colour any different colours if you like, for whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I think sometimes it's quite nice to have a camouflage colour. You know, like just a war colour of camouflage, but black's really nice as well. It depends what kind of plane you're going for. Mine looks like kind of a cartoony, kind of funky, fun plane. But with the light again, just if it's shining there, you're going to have like dark bits there. If it shines there, you're going to have dark bits there. But I'll probably go into more detail about the, what shall I draw next week? Oh, I think Maddie asked me to draw something. So anyone who wants me to draw something, just email me, message me, and I'll draw it for you. And there we are, there's the plane. So, oh no, I could literally get it everywhere. So yeah, I will speak to you, I will teach you how to draw something next week. But happy drawing, send me your pictures. It's e@emmylouart.com if your parents want to email me, it'd be awesome. And I shall speak to you soon. like and subscribe, and I'm going to be doing one every week, so that'll be really cool. Got to try and clear up now. Okay, speak to you soon. Enjoy your week.